What's up, everybody? Just waking up, Vlogma 10. And this is actually my first one. So this is day 10. I just deep conditioned my hair the night before. And I'm taking it out. It is still very, very wet. And about to wash it. Boom, there it is. It's giving very much Sideshow Bob's sister here. So as you can see, I'm like not deep conditioning, but conditioning and prepping my hair. Putting like 4 block braids in to kind of like air dry it out, make sure it's moisturized, and so I can get ready to clean up. Here you see me and baby daddy. We are cleaning up. We are kind of like resetting the living room a little bit here, and he didn't even know I was recording. He just hopped right into the dang on camera with a shirt up. But anyway, sometimes you got to get down and dirty. We have kids, so underneath the TV. And what you're about to see is me and him vacuuming like behind the couch and getting all the toys that were left underneath there. So he was helping me out for a majority of this part. As you can see behind the couch, there go my baby. He decided he wanted to join in and, create more of a mess. And he was trying to help in reality. See, he thought he was a strong man. But yeah, typical Saturday sometimes. And this is where I was like, you know what? Since I am cleaning up the living room, I might as well get in between the cushions as well. So I vacuumed between the cushions and make sure there was no toys or dust and everything. And this all together took me probably like an hour. So yeah, this is a little clean video for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I am done.